This video gives steps about how to import Ledger Master from Excel to Tally. Excel files should be prepared using the recommended Excel formats for masters. Make sure that all of the mandatory columns for masters are included in your Excel files. Make sure the Excel document is named Ledger. Save the Excel document using the approved Excel file types, taking into account the sheet name and file type. Use Tally ODBC to connect fast and flow Excel to Tally. Select the Ledger form from the Masters menu. Select the prepared Excel file by selecting the Load Excel button, located at the bottom of the screen. Then, after loading Excel, use the Verify and Analyze techniques to track the existing master and more before importing. Now add all or a selection of vouchers to the Tally. Now click the Upload to Tally button to immediately upload information into Tally. Use the checkbox on the left side of the data grid. For information on the records imported, consult the import process, log, and report. Users must check and verify the Tally when the upload is complete. Get free demo of Excel to Tally software at www.fastandflow.com.